Today we are going to understand about main engine constructions, what kind of the constructions we are going to discuss here, bed plate, A-frame, entablatures, cylinder block, and tie rods. Foundation part of the engine is the bed plate. So bed plate, top of bed plate A-frame, and top of A-frame entablatures. Three are together connected by the tie rods, two tie rods for each transverse girders we will discuss later. The tie rod keep under compressions and hold together three entablatures, a frame and bed plates. Now we come to the bed plate. Bed plate is a box-like structures. It is made by the longitudinal and transverse girders. Longitudinals are made steels. So and this transverse one is transverse girder made by the cast steel. So basically, what both girders are welded together, and there is lightning hole also for the lighting the weight without removing the strength of the materials. The basic idea about this, what kind of the forces of the bed plate under bending, twisting, and shear forces. So longitudinal girders have this crankshaft, all the weight of the crankshaft going to the transfer, and whole main engine also going to the bed plate also. So how these forces are transmitted, you will see here. So starting with the bed plate top side we put A-frames. A-frame is like a monoblock, or before monoblock, it has some like frame structures, but later it become monoframe. So each transverse girders we are putting the one frame and rounded with plate which is welded, so it's more strong or rigid to withstand the forces of the guide forces and all forces. So when the gas pressure acting on the top of the pistons, one part of the piston is forces is going to act on the cylinder block or cylinder cover, which is bolted, yeah, mounted by the nut, which is stud onto the entablature stud and the top cylinder cover stud. And downside port transmitted from the piston to the cylinder crosshead to the connecting rod, and connecting rod to the crank pin, or crank pin to the main general bearings. So it is acting downside of the this bed plate transverse girder. So transverse girders most